or the Jan Petro America Jan.
And that's okay.
Yeah, it's like there is more revelations coming. There's more revelations coming. What did I say? If it's a 7 do no so by no the Petro now have account cry other add up to the numbers. You know, if it's a 4 ladies now, because it's 5 NDC leads are Omuni Mapo.
And the 5 I see all the MPs, my MPs.
Yeah, so I'm afraid to be a city and all come.
I
said the same, but we will finish you.
Akua about too much GH every day so meeting the nana ama obusana edu sabere na mnimudi eshia trending issues and a mede ebesomo na enne ensema beto dwa no ebusafo mu rema kasa na me ko ensem no eso no former NDC supporter pa osaye politician on her own Akua Donkor Madam Akua Donkor with a former kind year 2016 about 12 Brenno no ne former president John Dramani Mahama no more time and Tibumpa they say maybe your quiet campaign biano what the mami ekobi emane kokasa ebwa NDC party asemesi ogana ha asem na esi asem kese ye papa no saga no so obi ade John Dramani Mahama and aforisa ensem so no and papa no na no na radio presenters afre Madam Akua Donkor say won me che na dwen emfa papa no saga no no nkyerem say hina ene papa no no kre say na ensem no ene na mfama mu ana say woni papa bi foforo Madam Akua Donkor meka bibi ebusuafo yekotie
ta ko bia fe you should ni na fe no afre nti na ya mo yekotie ni bi ni ya ana me
oh, okay. Let's say parties in Naba share electoral commission. Oh, okay. Na se say we ensema ekọ so Ghana menim se wasugusu a wutie bi e man for say papa no. Wo papa no wo di made nipa kro ye friend papa no.
Jawama.
Wo say ehwan ya?
Silver 98.3 FM.
Papa no. Enye wo bon ko akura bebre se ho.
Eh sir. Info na bebre shesho info sa
Bako agogo 2016 kura ojina mpi ewo agogo no mo ato ama no
sa
wa ya kura wa be bo be na ya tenu ni
oni Mahama
ko ni mu kura mai woni Mahama o kura be ka ti wa ko to kura wa ko to fi kura ba kai etema no to so tiom
wa to fi ama no etema
no to so tiom wa ko to fi ama etema ama tiko je wono ko ana mete kesi yazo waba ko bi su jiran piwo ntemo wono so wa sigo ibe Patricia kabi wo ka so ade amano meti mi ate ni na ana achema sakura wasa obi so ko wasa wo achasa ma no je jiran pinu ne ho ne bi
Silver 98.3 FM.
Just wani wa ibi pa ya kama papa no ani ale wo be se bodura ma bodura ke
sir
ma o se eji de no o bi ma trese o jira mpi wo no o ko no ma o wo busa obi a waka je fe ni me no ni ayi ni me enti sa ona ma ni jira mpi ni sika ku ko ma zo fe ni mpi ni nyago ampi fo baba no aya ye jira mpi unita ye penso de obi ayi ni mpra obi a na da wona kuku sikari ma wo de ye fa ko jira mpi no de akoye
nti ade na obi e beka se e Mahama
sa
ya bro enye fe dia bro kura
na sa na no me ka se wo kan se efia na utim no na wonim se nko no opam wo frim no ko fa oba bi betenem sa eno so
Silver 98.3 FM.
Wale de obo bua kura me de be kokwa to kura na se ya sa de fa we kura ne hon tin na magana so di president game de de kokwa to kura na me kra kra o pepe be di ne mu e o letra commission no awon mo ye yo sa di mani ni na ka ho so ka ho jataba no awon wa cho de ajele bo atin jataba no me che wo mo no me che jataba ka ho Woman in Akao, the door supreme. That was the exact almost so cry, the Mahama and the Jackaban, woman to a papa of Sukura. Then if I were in yes or the deep Ghana presidency. I Ghana for I say, I said here the trouble manipa, the one tea I was using me answer. Then, sir.
Oh, if I don't go, I know they are saying more do a crowd. Was
It was my capa, my cow, and I read about 20 and a half on the face. I was near Casa, my cunning.
Hey, if you're not out, Tim now, so Pamufin, and not Tracy Timana.
Silver 98.3 FM.
I ran a friend Tracy Boachino.
That's why you want to come here now. I want to talk to the other home. I did the other home. Now, you have a jet. Yeah. But the one to my plan on yesterday, Jano, or some of J. Jamo, no one will be able to do the movie on the day. The new guy said, Nana, Yanko Papa, the Huntsman. Yanko Papa, so you're born in our over, yeah. Taco pet. If you have me any tobacco, who are power Huntsman up there when we are set up. And we are saying now, and to us, well, yeah, that is all that would never be one. Let us say, no, we are saying over here. And now they are going to party. And yeah, I just say, the trouble making me for.
It's a Pacho, oh, and it is so. Yes,
sir. Okay, pay our play. Mamma, and a pay a Macassac, and you know, Yango Boy, Yango Boy, and a pay when you try to do it. I did about something I mean, be out of the mouth.
Silver, 98.3
FM. I'm a sign it. Will be at the end of the mobile. Yeah, well, and when she didn't hold by. Tell her, will be making me away. So, it will be always to be a over Jimmy dear, but Papa, now, you better think what I know. And the answer now on my own house, so Jimmy may start work across here. One quackra, the ministry.
And see, Abra now and one cry no, not a man who be who's on him, man, then I'll catch him.
Tell the man, so this is how we easy. Well, come on, so I'm waiting happy. Some day we don't come out, yeah, come in, come in, come into. As the man who know the Matthew and America. Yeah, but him society pay. We are some men America so good. Or Magica would use them or the mamma. I know, or the mamma would get an MP mano. It is somewhere possible. I don't know, or MPBI and
Silver 98.3 FM.
And just said a planet who could die a cacano as you are. No, as a sarcastic man, no could the man about it. No, I want your so or who may never saw the one on the session who may never. So the one on the session, a good man, while I eat up one in a few may now so war with Yamma. Yeah, it's so. Yeah, but so I bet now, Mary Munayama.
Samu Mahama so then can you send Obano and Keja.
Eh, oh, what did be out to you, nobody be out, no one to will be a man back to me party or buy we as a man when you are, I mean, no about making a jam and that's about the party. Who my president to be there?
This so Emma more Akua Donkor, Ebium, you may say a same Maya day, do a day, Ebramo, Mama Juliet Ventures, all tone, air kitchen appliances, any a damn SCC, wallpaper, need a cacao when you see them. Wa Kodaro said man winti o friend and now a rest assured say a bonnet that from your papa so and our day ebema ebium so need roofing for boy chidom need roofing send a woman dino ACT and one more dine so a neat work and on may edama ninti so person will go dance no na to say we see the beche afeboa to say unya was some cardia and then a neat roofing and I will be pure with chapa and so before number no now a fro ebium to the Witness Aluminium Limited. One more a year glass and wedgema aluminium works, slide doors, windows, so bus stock a crowd for restaurant and now or provision shop piano, ubetimi afa, a Winners Limited for Winners Aluminium Limited for number, and that's what we want to find one you say mano a day a mamu. May guest and a day a Miss Messicow, any of you, Mr. Richardson. Be there from Mahama. Na mami Akua Donkor. Ya flow. Oh, ya koso wati bia na. Ani daddy. Uni papa no. Na sententi ni di okike yi. Be say chese. When it's so be say asem no kra o. What that main issue no. We here not to change that we are going further ahead of the main issue. Just about na ke ni say ko be kana asem.
Let's hear.
Now so chese we madam Akua Donkor kan who ni say.
Mammy can't share too much. It's your for yeah. Well, yeah. There's too much information coming. You know.
Too much.
Yeah, but first of all, let's be cautious. It's the social distance. We should adhere to it. If like people have stopped, we should adhere to it. Okay. What they saying? Mammy Akua Donkor. Yeah, na mammy. Gana yeah mammy ba kwaka. Asem na se na adi na kwe. Onu mu wabe odi janu petrol abeka ejanu kwa.
And that's okay.
Yeah, it's like there is more revelations coming. There's more revelations coming. What did I say?
That's what people carry on crowd.
If you say something you do no so buy no the petrol na ba account cry here other add up to the numbers no if you say 4 ladies now you say about 5 NDC leads are omuni mapop.
And 5-4 or see all the MPs my one MPs.
Yeah, so any friend for BS there no come I say. I say the same but people so funny sure Akwa 210 and make say see no we are in a political era. Whoever Obama won't cry behind your opponent will use it right against you. Since the end is for me, go for mum, but mum pets had news now about other people so they ever fire right on top. They see them now, you crow, they see them go say MPs now and banning now Mahama has told them how is that possible? Wait,
hold your horse, remember? Miss Mexico.
Miniaba.
Dear Madame Akua Donkor Became, who is it?
You mean about that was say. Maminchi for Michi Obibia, so Munyamre, Miniaba, say with dear, I said from your being yesterday. Hey, I know she, I know she, I am mammy, you're funny serious, and I'm funny serious. Because in some war canal, in some mudo, and you deep to the extent say, or Patcha say, you'll be cry, woman, Jam, 5 months. Baby, me who is a me funny serious and I said me funny okay. Madam, Madam Akua Donkor any mono say you'll be a interesting person. Me say, me in some way no me share and funny serious sir. If we said when you name say a near fee and I would do age being so and some will be the 5 years back no. One share out the other seconds, a bad day, a back in some more walking in no way, any evidence. So what's a mass, so I back and I at the same, and I hear bobo. It's your friend Gina say, yeah, mamma, you ever say you need, you mentioned I find it serious, sir, because you the evidence, you can find it serious, and I tell you without sending about evidence I will when here. You see any be provided.
I said, not down for an antipate. And who in your to the extent I say, ya choka.
Yeah, not down for. Not down for. And now, before we back cast them no crack a crown. On to me, sorry, Becano. Racer, but me send your dear seed corn. Papa, no, I am papa. Or your ex president. Or your honor, you need dear mania. Need fatam. It's immediate. Me no me funny say. Yeah, mama no. Your politics. And now because you need to say on no first no more capa. Omo kan na se si aba say watwe ne ho. Ti watwe ne ho no. Me assure say you may be kokọ ya ankoyie e wo muntem. Enti ankoyie wo muntem we to the sense say fie bi obenya ya omo saage ye ne ka bi. Ya wo ni mu.
Okay.
Won yesu ne ehu se wanyi. Se si obi no betimi achi mami we atu. Wa bo ni brewie. Obetimi aka ne opabia. Me no na te ga na ha no kofa etuo. Etwi etuo. Me no so wan asem besen ye. Ye fa ni se o say ye.
Okay.
Even though say bia ne work on no kwa aka wo me no ni evidence. Yet me fa ni serious man ni ye. Ye fa ni so ye politics.
Okay.
And as o ke bi dia gine ni se na be ya sundwe be ko so o my Ghana because you see tobe na doso. Dem din kwada kakra.
Mama me da wase. Mr. Richardson. Senator Obama he's a former president. Oye Penny, we have other former presidents. Say J. Kufuor, no, and Rollins. Yes, J.J. Rollins. Oh, what I say? There's never been a time I just say, yeah, drag your own name in the mud, even after every office on my year, vice president. I didn't think that, sorry, I mean, you former president. Now, I didn't think that John Dramani Mahama here, still now, yeah, dragging this. I didn't hear man, yeah, according that respect to say, he has been a leader and a head, a father of the nation.
You see, that's why in some, especially in most of the Arab countries, the social media is regulated. Even China, there are some things that are not allowed. Because the social media will be as or we are losing it. This generation is like we are losing it. We'll be able to make out of it. One, President Mahama, Tracy Watching should be President Mahama. So there is golden silence is golden. Upon all the doubts and whatever, and he hasn't come out to either accept or deny it. It shows maturity on his part, but message now say like he's becoming too much. Radio station or fair we don't condemn no pay. You say we don't offer now 77 as race and about coming in as so they knew what they were up to. Or 77 we former prayer my opinion that and he didn't move for us. It's not right. Mahama deserves respect. Even if you are not voting for him, the respect is there. Mind you, we are still in an election era. People will write on it against him. That one, yes, other people's gain. If you know this mistake, will open the door again. So even excellency, we say excellency, honorable Kennedy, I can't say, well, it's politics, yeah, they will write against it. But then it's not the best because all that they are saying, has anyone proven any evidence? Is there any document to show say Mahama talk how my girls? Is there any evidence to show say a 9 days on Mahama from Mahama to Mazo, from Mahama to Trace? But there is nothing like the artist no. I don't know. What you say? I don't know.
Okay, baby.
Send I will be say then ex-president for former ones name na yentimi dragon. What say dragon name in a way, but how they handle it. And I will be akofano. And I yen share with you. One say JM, yeah, ex or standing for another position again. Okay. See, that's the big deal.
So over back, no.
Over back, no. That's the big deal because before then, no, be aside then I'll be the president. Now I call so now we'll start returning back. That idea and microphone support it. Now opportunity say about them. I'm with the dragon in them. It's a dim baby bomb, Bojam. Obia one inform so. A deal baby now because he's coming in power again. They are taking the advantage just to weaken him. But I don't know, sure say affecting it, because I'm sure Obia living a life on your president anchor. Yeah, him say, honorable people, I'm with the amount. And men, they have weakness. Men, Bible, they have the intent, yeah, in a big deal. But because of the position he's aspiring for.
Exactly.
That's why they are dragging
okay. For the final question, the chat to crack. If Mahama should win and become president, would it affect Juma as president? No. All so far, no. Would it affect his work?
You are talking about winning here. When he wins, everything goes down. All the blah blah, everything goes down.
How would he be able to silence those things? Isn't there any opinions?
No. He will be able to because as we speak now, he hasn't even responded to the questions. How much when he wins? See, when you win, when you become a president, Charlie, you don't sleep or you have a lot of things to do. So this one wouldn't even would be backlash.
No, I'm not talking about him himself, but I'm talking about his work. Say Nejuma warrior, say or some of mine or several of mine. He will work with people. Would it affect? Say like respect? It's a matter of respect.
Just like Jesus Christ. They will criticize you the same time they will hail you. One man's price every day. I saw with you. I saw from Jesus Christ or not. Or petition was ready. One man they cast a crucifying today. My mama winning election and shot there. One more poor even there are, and their mind there are people who are in the hidden somewhere doing a fighting against Mama secretly. One more very kind of them are healing us and today we need a different ball game altogether. As an eye, and you're not going criticizing or not.
We need it very dependent. Like okay, my member and a personality more. We don't know how strong that man has built himself into. Say Oyobia wa building himself into criticism. I don't think say it will affect the personality. Because what we're building home to the level it will have nothing doing with him. Even though say Obia in because after all, this is not the first time I stand. People talk against him all the time.
Okay.
But he's strong in acting towards it. And an Ejume so how dare you?
How dare you? But
you can't now well opportunity. People want opportunity to even be around, or then call standing against a man in power. Now, how is he going to come in power? Wherever he is, it's like a father. Any politics in change.
Yeah, he deserves respect.
I have to respect him because
that is very
if
important.
he was my father, I will honor him, and I think I will love him to be my father. It's when your time of maybe I'm just trying to tell someone who can be my father. Say he should be strong. All these things is part of life. I like the way he has been quiet towards it, and we all have our weakness, so he should cheer up. Man, all these things break him up. Politics is a dirty sound game. His life matters.
Okay.
And he should put that zero sound game, and to change is affecting him. Nothing is affecting him.
No, he's not affected.
Yeah, he should forgive anyone. He should forgive anyone involved. And if he has it in mind, so Bibima or Mangana, Nasti or Pese or Babak be correcting you maybe a 1 year in place or Pese be correcting, why not? On your minute scene, on your minute or two or be a person or two, definitely or be a Canadian, but he should be strong. And I know, say, as far as he has come on, wherever he has to get to know, maybe one or more, he can get there.
Okay, that's very nice. Mr. Richardson, what your final words so to
Yeah, Mahama is a strong man.
Yes.
Yeah, the critics started not now. Our former president, may he still rest in peace, Ivan Tatamios, President Ivan Tatamios, knew over a Daniel Kai. Oh no, what about the respond though? How much more we are taking so at Tofi, and no company move for he's still a strong man. He's a strong man, but let's give him the respect. I think he deserves the respect. Putting all political party affiliations aside, Mahama deserves the respect. He's an ex-president. He has been a attorney general, vice president. I mean, come on, let's give him the respect. Because to be a
most of the youth have not been there.
That's the
most
problem.
of the you've not even been
have
there.
not gotten anywhere.
Nowhere.
We are just using this opportunity to speak.
And this doesn't go to Mahama alone. Those youth that open their mouth and talk to the presidents and ministers anyhow, they should stop. Because uncle,
you'll be very proud.
Yeah, so why should you all the time? And I will hear penny be what a won't so. Anything can come on social media, but it's not everything that you should put your mouth inside and insult elders. Until you can be being free,
Ebusia for what means a net day, my better former Casapan, Futu de Biwumupa, and Cressa, former President John Dramani Mahama, where you penida. He has been the father of a whole nation, and until you cannot put him at the center of all sorts of insults. Whilst he has been such a person, until your patrol, right there at the said there, you did a free, my better for me, and Casamu, my appointing for say. Yeah, according to some form of respect, he's a man that has been there. Yeah, respecting him even in the face of adversity. Because in some economy, but nothing proves to say indeed he has done something like that. And I say, even if it's true, he's a human being. Yeah, first I respect Emma, your former president. Namidi is in what to address channel is welcome at a year too much GH comment section. Maybe almost a bit to me. I follow you. Our too much GH Instagram page at too much GH _ Meeting Edna Ama Ubusa. My name is Mr. Richardson, and if you Miss Mercy Cow, and in a yet to train Kumon. I may have to ma your best sign Eddie and Shimdi Macram.
Major prophet kum chacha. On se me catch was say, Bomaden ne too much GH. On se me kan ye nyane. Bonne pa ne kase ye pe wo wiase ya asondin. Asondin ti na Adam. Wo hu nyame ye no nyam no. Wo hu ne ma bi a wo hwehwehwehwe e wo other place ne ade. Cat won. Na Bomaden ne be hwe too much GH. Be hwe ne subscribe bomoden wo behwepe na waye subscribe wo subscribe subscribe na subscribe na wo subscribe a na wo benya ne ma pe a wo pe ne ma papa a wo pe ahwe nyame hyira